In this video, we are going to see how you can create styles to format data in Microsoft Excel. So let's go ahead and have a look. So in our last video, we saw how to use the format painter feature, right? So that you can copy the format from one cell and paste it to another. In formatting, there are a lot of things that you can change. You can change the cell background color, you can change the font itself, make it italics, make it bold, change the color of the font, etc. So if it is a big document, and imagine that you have applied formatting to all the sheets, and then you realize that you have to change the format across all the sheets, then one way is to do it manually by using Format Painter. But then again, that would be a huge task in itself, right? So there should be an easy way to do that. So there is something called as cell styles. So there is something called as cell styles where you can apply format to, let's say, only one cell and create a template out of it. And then whenever you want to change, you just need to change or modify the template, and wherever the template is applied, the modifications will be done. And for example, we had applied the format over here on row 3. So what I will do is I will right away go ahead and clear this format. So to clear the format, under Home tab, all the way to the right under Editing, you'll find an option to clear. So if you drill down on that, there is something called as clear format. So you can click on that and the format is gone. So whatever format you had applied, that will be cleared away. But remember, if with this particular heading like Jan, Feb and March, if you had also applied the year, for example Jan 2020, Feb 2020, March 2020, then as soon as you cleared the format, since Microsoft Excel considered that as a number, that format would have gone and it will like show a number over there. In that case, all you need to do is right click on it and use the format cell option to correct the format. So in this case, what I will do is I will use this cell A3 and try to format it. Okay. So under Home tab, let me go to Fonts and make it bold. And maybe I also need a thick bottom border. And also let me choose a color for this and let me make it dark blue. And to bring some contrast to it, let me change the font color as well to white. So I'm okay with the style, and this is the style I want all across my heading, right? So what I will do is I will select this again. If you go to Home tab and go to Style section and click over here to bring up more options, you will see that Microsoft Excel has a predefined templates available which you can use. Okay, but in this case, we want to create a new style. So what I'm saying to the system is that I want to create a new style based on my selected cell. Let me say this is my style. Okay, and then click on OK. So now you can see that your customized My Style is saved over here. So all I need to do is, for example, if I have to apply that style over here, I need to select here, and instead of going through and changing all the formats, I just click on this and the same style is applied. So this concept of style is not unique to Microsoft Excel. It is also available on other Microsoft productivity tools like Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. So imagine if you have like big document of 40 pages, or you have workbook with n number of sheets, then you can just use this style to apply it to everywhere. It's far much more easier than applying Format Painter manually everywhere. Now just imagine that if you have applied all this and all of a sudden, somebody says that, no, you need to change this color over here across all the document. So in that case, what I need to do is just go to My Style, right click on it, click on Modify, click on Format, and you can change many aspects of your formatting. But in this case, let me just change the color to bottle green and then click on OK and OK again. And then you can see wherever that template was, wherever that style was applied, it automatically changes to the format that you want. So it not only helps you bring out consistency in your document, but it is also very easy to use, right? And it saves a lot of time. So why don't you go ahead and try it out for yourself, and we will meet in our next video.